Hi everybody, welcome to the weekend edition of E Prime. I am Daedran. He loves us both. Lena Ike tells the other woman with the latest release. The track, which was released Thursday, featuring American R&B vocalist Her, finds the duo trapped in a love triangle. Pulling inspiration from the 1998 double platinum record The Boy Is Mine, sung by American R&B singers Brandy and Monica, the track effortlessly translates both locally and on the international scene. Now, in a press release, the world singer stated that while working on the track, a thought crossed her mind that the song needs a feature with a really dope female artist, as it reminded her of The Boy Is Mine, while Her lauded Lila's creativity as an artist. Loves Us Both is Lila's first release of her debut album. Earlier this year, while closing out her set at Lost in Time Festival, she shared that the album would be released later this year. But speaking exclusively with E! Prime, she shared that the project should be released in summer. Not giving away too much details, she also shared that the album will feature other international artists.
All I will say is that I've worked with somebody from London, somebody from America. May also potentially have an Afrobeat artist.
Adding that this body of work journals a personal phase of her life and displays her growth.
The last time I put out a project was 2020. It's now 2024. As an artist, I've grown. My writing has grown. My experiences are different. I wrote this album while I was going through a lot, so it's a lot of emotions expressed.
The Reggae King gets vision of walking once more with the release of a new song.
If disability not stop me, just make me work harder then. I'm getting dreams of me, I walk again. They are time the past and the water. They must say this is a chance now for man again.
The therapist singer is determined to push beyond his limits as he hopes to vacate his wheelchair and regain mobility. Back in 2020, the Montego Bay native was shot and seriously injured during a gun attack in Stewie District, Westmoreland, while a woman, Sashali Blackwood, identified as his girlfriend, was also killed. Now, another male was shot and injured in that incident. The incident left the singer paralyzed from the waist down. The track, which features dancehall fast rising star Chronic Law, becomes the first release of Reggae's sophomore album, Recovery, which is set to be released this June. We're just getting started, says Nicki Minaj, as she becomes the first female rapper in history with the highest grossing tour. The Queen of Rap is in celebratory mood following reports that the North American leg of her Pink Friday 2 World Tour becomes the highest selling in history. The news was previously reported by American radio personality Angela Yee on Way Up that the United States leg of Nicki's tour sold out 36 shows consecutively. Billboard box scores also reported that Nicki's tour grossed $67 million and sold 439,000 tickets. In celebrating the milestone, the rapper took to Instagram thanking her team who made the tour the most over-the-top and stunning for the Barbs, adding that she is just getting started. That's it for your weekend edition of E! Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.